How to select and delete more than 50 emails at once in Gmail on PC. This tutorial shows you how to select all matching emails beyond the 50 email limit in Gmail. First, open Gmail on your PC and go to the search bar at the top. After that, type in the keyword or subject you want to search for and press enter to pull up all matching emails. From there, you will notice that Gmail only allows you to select up to 50 emails at a time by default. At this point, to get around this, look for the sort option that says most relevant and click on it. In the next step, change it from most relevant to most recent to refresh the search results. Following this, once the results reload, click on the select checkbox at the top left corner of the email list. Once done, you will now see a new option appear saying select all conversations that match this search. Click on it. From here, all emails matching your search will now be selected, regardless of how many there are, not just the first 50. Finally, click on delete and confirm to permanently delete all selected emails at once. And that's it. If this guide helped you select and delete more than 50 emails in Gmail, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.